Hello, welcome to the It's Reading Crafts blog. My name is Raina. You can find me under SF Chick on Ravelry and Instagram. Also under It's Reading Crafts on Instagram, where I don't post very much um, under It's Raining Crafts, but I'm always posting under my SF Chick account. So today is December 3rd, 2nd. No, today's December 3rd, 2021. I haven't had much knitting to show you. I really haven't been knitting. I feel that I'm in a bit of a slump right now. My knit show is just on the wayside, so I rolled up this pretty skein. You can see it's called Cornucopia. It's by Woolens and Nosh that I got at Indian Tangled in Rhinebeck, at Rhinebeck, when I went to Rhinebeck. Um, I'm almost at the end of my row right now, and I'll show it to you. But it's self-striping yarn. It's her show colorway. It's a BFL base. I never knit with a BFL base. So I started the ribbing yesterday. And I have to look down at my knitting to make sure that I'm at the end of the row. So I haven't been knitting much. I knit on my throw over, not my throw over, my throwback, my throw over by Andrea Mowry. I put that away for now. I just think that I'm feeling small projects and not very large projects at the moment. But here's my sock so far. It is purple. It's like an eggplanty purple. It's going to it goes into an orange, and this fall-like. This skein reminds me of very fall-like colors. So I just started the leg. I do 64 stitches, 32 stitches on each needle, and then I separate them by these markers, by the markers that you see on the needle, sorry. This marker here, and then marker there, so I know that I'm supposed to have 16 on each side. But so that's going good. I was really like flustered in the past few weeks, not knowing what to work on. Very itching to knit on something. I wasn't sure what I wanted to knit on. So there's that. And what else is going on? I had various amount of appointments this week. Today's Friday. I had one like Monday through Wednesday. I just felt like it's just like when you have one appointment, you have so many that build up in the same week or the same hour. But I got a microphone for my camera, so I got one of these. So let me know if it works. Maybe I need to put a box on here to make it higher. But other than that, nothing else is going on. We're getting ready for Christmas. I haven't participated, I'm not going to participate in Vlogmas because we're not, we haven't decorated for Christmas yet. Probably this weekend. But I just wanted to pop on and say thank you for watching, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.